Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. So class 4, this is your maths period and I am your maths teacher Miss Faiza Tahir and it's your lecture number 18. Class, as you all know that we have started our second unit, which is factors and multiples. So today we are going to start a new topic of factors and multiples, which is co-prime numbers. So class, what are co-prime numbers? Co-prime numbers are actually two numbers which have only one as their common factor. कोई से दो नंबर जिनका कॉमन फैक्टर सिर्फ वन हो. Only one. Okay. Now we have an example here. And the example is, are 9 and 16 co-prime numbers? So class, to find out whether 9 and 16 are co-prime or not, we have to first write down the factors of both the numbers. Okay. So class, as you already know that every number is the factor of 1 and itself. So 9 is also the factor of 1 and itself. Now class, after 1 we have 2. So as 9 is not the multiple of 2, so 2 is not the factor of 9. Now after 2 we have 3. As 9 is multiple of 3, so we can say 3 is the factor of 9. 3 is the factor of 9. Okay. So class, after 3 we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 is not a multiple of these numbers, so these numbers are not a factor of 9. Factors of 9. Okay. So we have only 3 factors of 9. After 9 we have factors of 16 similarly as 1 and itself. And after that we have 2, 4, 8. Now class, look at this. That in both the factors of the numbers, we have common just one. The common factor is 1. As common means same values in both the factors of the numbers. Okay. So the factors, so 1 is a common factor. So class, we have only 1 as the common factor. As there is only one common factor and the common factor is 1. So yes, 9 and 16 are co-prime numbers. Clear class? Now class, we are going to start our copy work. And you are supposed to draw margin lines on both sides of the pages and with proper and neat handwriting. Okay? And write date and day. Okay? So class, this is page number 28 and question number 5, part A and H. So class, question number 5 is, which of the following numbers are co-prime numbers? And I am going to solve part A, which is 3 and 5. So class, first we have to write the factors of 3, then factors of 5. And here we have the factors of 3 and factors of 5. So factors of 3 are 1 and 3 and factors of 5 are 1 and 5. As every number is a factor of 1 and itself. 3 is not the multiple of any other number except 1 and 3, and 5 is also not the multiple of any other number except 1 and 5. So we can say that the numbers 3 and 5 are only two factors, 1 and itself. So class, here the common factor is only 1. So are 3 and 5 co-prime numbers? Yes, tell me. Yes, 3 and 5 are co-prime numbers. Clear? So class, our next work is page number 31, question number 4 complete. Now find the factors of the following numbers. And one thing and one more thing. Class, you have to do all the remaining, you have to do part H by yourself. Okay. Now Page number 31, question number 4 complete. Find the factors of the following numbers. Okay, here we have part D and E, and you are supposed to do the remaining parts by yourself. Okay, clear? Now class, as you already know that we have to write 1 and 21, as 21 is the factor of 1 and itself. After 1 we have to know 2 is not the factor of 21, as 21 is not the multiple of 2. So 3, yes, 3 is the factor of 21 because 3 sevens are 21. Okay, because 21 is the multiple of 3, so 3 is the factor of 21. 3 sevens are 21, so 7 threes are 21. Similarly, 21 is also the multiple of 7, so 7 is factor of 21, so we will write 7 also here. Now class 4, 5, 6, these are not the factors of 21, as 21 is not the multiple of these numbers. Now 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, the numbers till 21, they are not the factors of 21, and the 21 is last. So we have here 1, 3, 7, 21, the factors of 21. Now class, I am doing part E for you. Again we have to write 1 and 24, as we already know that. Now after 24 after 1 we have 2, yes, then 3, yes, 3 sevens are 24, and 24 divided by 3 is equal to 7. So we can say that 3 is the factor of 24. Now after 3 we have 4, 4, 6 are 24, yes, 4. Now after 4 we have 5, no, 5 nahi hai. 6, yes, 6, and 8, yes, 8, और कौन सा है 8 के बाद 12, yes, and after 12 we have 24. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 factors. Okay, so these are the factors of 24. Now class, remaining parts जो है वो आप खुद solve करेंगे. Now come to the another part, another question, which is on page number 31 and question number 6 complete. Now write the factors of the following numbers and also tell that how many factors does each number have. Now class, I am doing part B, factors of 36. So we will start from 1, then 2, then 3, yes, then 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6 are 20, yes, 4 9s are 36. So 4 is also the factor of, sorry, yes, 4 is also the factor of 36. Now class, after 4 we have 6, then 9, then 12, then 18, and then 36. So class, we have how many factors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 factors. We will write 9 factors. Okay. You can also write just F. Okay. 9 factors. So Similarly, the part C will be done by like we have done before. We will write 1, then 2, yes, 2 is the factor of 54, then 3, yes, then 54, then 6, yes, then 9, as 6 9s are 54 and 9 6 are 54. So both the numbers are the factor of 54. After 9 we have 54 in 27, as 27 twos are 54. After 27 we have 54. Clear? So class, these are the factors of 54. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many factors? 7 factors. We will write 7 factors. Clear students? I hope you have better understood the concept of co-prime numbers and factors आप पहले से ही कर चुके हुए हैं कि कैसे हम factors निकालते हैं. So class, this is your C work and you are supposed to do all the remaining parts by yourself. Now class, this is your maths diary. Learn table 1 and table 2 on page number 23. Thank you students. Allah Hafiz.